That red scooter looks just perfect. What dreams are being dreamed up here?
Focus, little one. Good line work on the wheels.
Even during study time, inspiration strikes. Focus is key for engineering success.
A+. Hard work pays off, my friend. We learn the best recipes for success. With knowledge secured, it's time for a practical application journey. Every successful chef knows the importance of a clean station.
Cycles. From classroom to kitchen. The cooking phase begins with perfectly al dente pasta.
Only the freshest ingredients are worthy of our signature dish.
Precision in every cut leads to uniformity in flavor.
The sauce simmers, integrating all the rich, savory elements together.
Dinner is served. Enjoy the fruits of our labor.
Managing finances is just as important as mastering the recipe.
I am so proud of your dedication. You earned this.
Adventures continue, exploring the world together, one ride at a time.
Still dreaming of that red scooter.
Thank you for shopping with us. Have a wonderful day.
A new day, new transport, and renewed energy for exploration.
Embracing the simple joy of movement and companionship.
A friendly invitation to join their wonderful world.
Look at this giant fruit! Fresh harvest time!
Climbing the hills requires fuel, and they have gathered the bounty of the mountains.
Hold tight. We need a secure shelter for the night, team.
Dinner secured. Fresh catch from the clear stream.
Even the rain can't stop the vital transportation of root vegetables.
More rainbow bubbles for everyone. We clean up nicely.
Almost there. A little more drying time for this colorful mess.
Time to prepare the healthy base for our Mave course. Transforming simple flour and water into the perfect pastry foundation.
A little snack while we prepare the toppings.
Layering for maximum satisfaction. A truly towering sandwich.
This is the best sandwich ever made.
Faster down the slide.
Wake up, little one. The universe is putting on a magnificent show just for us.
Warm and dreaming of tomorrow's adventures. Returning from the mountains with treasures from the earth.
Every piece must be perfectly clean before we use it.
Preparing the bright red components for the evening sauce.
Letting the natural sweetness of the tomatoes develop.
Meatballs and milk for the team. Sustenance is key for such culinary efforts.
Now, let the sauce embrace the meat.
Good boy, Golden.
After savory delights, it's time for the celebratory sweet course.
Rich chocolate glaze for the happiest occasion.
Happy birthday, Yum.
Moments of gratitude shared among the very best of friends.
Got the string. This is the best toy.
Perfectly toasted.
Wishing on every single star that falls tonight.
Nothing beats the security of a loving embrace at the end of a long day. Don't forget to subscribe if you love seeing these happy adventures.
Looks like someone is celebrating soon.
Back to baking. The dough needs a good, thorough kneading session.
Fresh out of the oven. Beautifully risen. Make sure every corner gets the creamy treatment, chef.
A savory main dish is also essential for a full feast.
The quiet patience required for fishing is a lesson in itself.
Hold fast, team. We must win the road.
A token of friendship for our strong pulling partner. Exploring the rugged countryside, side by side.
These rice cakes are delicious. Here is your payment.
Oh dear, this yarn has spread everywhere. Playtime is ending soon.
Our masterpiece collection is growing daily.
One more bite for the birthday star.
Deep, restorative sleep after a day full of action.
What an exciting show tonight!
The continuous cycle of baking and creation.
Patience rewarded. Perfect crust achieved.
A heart meal for our canine friend.
Teamwork extends beyond the kitchen. They are building a safe home.
Adding the final beautiful flourish.
Even the busiest chefs need their rest.
A little snow never stopped us from getting the best berries.
Transporting the sweet harvest across the winter landscape. Full speed ahead to the winter market.
Sweetest strawberries in the snow. Come by now.
Engaging in childhood games with their loyal puppy friend.
Success. Dinner is served directly from nature.
A classic campfire BBQ feast under the open sky.
Conquering heights as an inseparable team.
Slow and steady wins the race against stains.
Seriously. Rainbow paint everywhere.
Time for the special cleaning procedure, especially for our colorful friends.
Warm air therapy for a fully cleansed rabbit.
A moment of perfect, quiet, domestic bliss.
Make a wish.
If you love these three, remember to subscribe to their ongoing journey.
Look how fast Golden can go on his 3 wheels.
Unbreakable bonds of friendship formed through shared experiences.
We haul the summer harvest home in style.
Using creative transportation for everyday errands.
Coldest, sweetest juice in the county. Only $0.09.
Preparing the foundational vegetable for the next batch of sauce.
Allowing the flavors to marry slowly and deeply.
Every component of the spaghetti dish must be perfectly formed.
Here you go, puppy. Your favorite meal.
The creation sequence begins again for the next delightful baked item.
Perfect golden color achieved.
Peaceful evenings are best spent under the stars.
Make a silent wish upon that streak of light.
Dreaming of the next day's journey while staying safe in their cozy shelter.
Beautiful for a reminder to enjoy their community.
Oops! Even in joyful chaos, cleaning up is mandatory.
Capturing the essence of the big chef cat.
A unique harvest in the frost.
Plentiful harvest today.
Heading off-road for a day of angling and exploration. Another one for the dinner pot.
Selling sweet summer fruit in the middle of a winter market. Thorough washing is the first step to deliciousness.
Prepping the tropical flavor for the next bake. Feel the texture. This is what perfect dough feels like. Sweet success.
Returning to the savory kitchen for a fish delicacy.
Puppy must eat his protein.
Preparing the savory addition to the pasta plate.
Let them simmer gently in the rich sauce.
Baking is a repetitive but rewarding craft.
That swirl is perfect.
Delivering celebratory treats via bicycle.
Puppy needs lots of walks to stay energetic.
I'm stronger than you think.
The delegation to the strawberry harvest continues, regardless of the weather.
Full carrots ahead! To the market!
Get your sweet winter berries here!
Time to transfer the beauty of the outdoors onto paper.
A satisfying meal enjoyed under the open air.
Commerce never sleeps, even when the ground is frozen.
Allowing the tomato flavors to deepen perfectly.
Preparing the delicate fish course.
The final, flavorful step before serving. More pasta for our hungry companion.
Preparing the canvas for the next layer of sweetness. Best birthday cake ever!
Cherishing the downtime after the celebrations.
Camping memories made with every friend.
So many falling stars tonight.
Rest comes easily in the safety of their handmade shelter.
Happy birthday, little one.
Time for some relaxation.
Let's see what colors we can create today.
Collaborative construction in the workshop.
We must navigate this muck carefully.
Selling summer sweetness in the snow.
The sauce is thickening nicely.
Every cut must be precise for the fish dish.
A change of scenery for their fishing expedition. The wide, open sea. Transporting today's fresh catch home safely. Cleaning the sea bounty before preparation. Breaking down the whole fish into perfect cooking portions.
Low and slow cooking ensures tender fish.
The sauce is the best part.
And so, the cycle of creativity, sharing, and friendship continues indefinitely.